Welcome to the step-by-step guide for installing the Stratus Flat Skylight. Dry fit the base to the curb to check sizes. Apply 2 generous beads of sealant to the top surface of the curb. Position the PVC base onto the curb, aligning it centrally and ensuring it is square. Pack where necessary near fixing points. Secure the base to the curb using the supplied fixings. Place screws 150 mm from each corner and at 300 mm intervals. Do not over-tighten. Lower the skylight lid onto the base, pressing around the perimeter to ensure all clips are engaged by hearing the clip noise. Install the plasterboard trim to the top edge of the plasterboard, ensuring it is properly positioned and secured. After installing plasterboard, please remove any protective film. Your Stratus Flat Skylight installation is now complete. For any questions, contact Stratus Tech Support Team at 01200 452918 or email techsupport@ultraframe.co.uk.